Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial, I am going to share with you how to make white teeth in your Adobe Photoshop. So let's take a look how to do that. Maybe somehow or some cases you might be took a picture and in that picture your teeth looks like very dirty or it's not looks like white teeth. You might be wondering how to make that teeth white. It's really very easy and simple. So we're going to open our Photoshop and then I'm going to open a my one of my picture, and this is the picture. You can see it looks like my teeth is very dirty, which is look yellow color. You might be wondering how to make it white. It's really very easy and simple. In order to do that, what you have to do, we're going to duplicate the layer, just double click on it, and then it's going to appear just like this. Just simply click here, OK. Now in this layer, just first choose the layer, and then in the down, you're going to see something like this. Just click over there and choose this HUE is situation, and then it's going to be appear just like this. From here, preset, we're going to make it here euros. Obviously, a maximum human all over the world, their teeth might be from white to come it yellow. So we're going to choose it yellow. I'm sure there is not other color almost. Anyway, we're going to choose the yellow and we're going to make the saturation minus 100, and the lightness we're going to make it 100 plus. So you can see, don't worry about the picture how it's going to looks like. Anyway, we had finished this. Just minimize these things and then select the layer, and then in keyboard press Ctrl I, and it's going to looks like this. From here, choose the brush tools and then choose the size you want, and then let me make it zoom to see my teeth clearly. Now here, this is the things you have to make sure that is white or not. So foreground color, we made it white. It might be sometime just like this. You need to just change it. It is going to be what going to be appear upper side, which is the default almost every Photoshop. So we made it set for the color white. Anyway, now we're going to use this cursor right over here, and we're going to use brushing my teeth without using toothpaste or brush, and it looks like more brighter. You can see how it looks like more brighter. Let me clean all the teeth. You can see it's now coming totally white. You can see how it looks like it's become very white. If I now you can see my teeth is looks like very white. Let me save this file, save as, choose the location desktop, and let me give a name like after and save it. Click OK. Now let me see this is the main picture how my teeth looks like, and if I open the second picture, which is just now I made, you're going to see my teeth is different. Now it looks like very white. So within this way you can easily make your teeth white within Adobe Photoshop. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.